Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And on today's video, I got a treat for you. My buddy found a 1969 Chevy Impala Custom in a garage, and he went and bought it. It wasn't running when he bought it, but he bought it, and he got it all fixed up. It's got just over 100,000 miles on it. It's original paint. It's a beautiful car. Check it out. 1969, got a 327 in it. There goes the original hubcaps. Yep, vinyl top, Impala Custom. It's beautiful. Yep. Beautiful car. Got a few little minor flaws on it, but overall the car is solid. Came out of Saginaw, Michigan. Yeah, he just picked it up and got it running. I don't know if he's gonna sell it, but if he does, I'll let you guys know. Vinyl top's perfect. Look at that around the top of the windshield, no bubbles, nothing. Look at the top. Around the back window, it's got that curved glass. Look at that, no, nothing. I have to still detail it on the inside. That's the window, how it's curved. Yep, it's a beautiful car. Original hubcaps, 327 car. Yep. Take y'all on the inside. Look at this. Needs seat cover. It needs a seat cover. Original. It's got original carpet. The body by Fisher. The dashboard. There's the mileage. 100,395. Yeah, the steering wheel's got a little crack in it, but it's original steering wheel. Y'all see the dash. Original radio. Original rear view mirror. Look at the headliner, guys. Headliner's beautiful. Yep. Yep. Car's in great shape. Got that famous astro ventilation that Chevy used to brag about. Look at this. Look how clean this car is. Door panels. The door panels, guys. Door panels are great. Nothing wrong with the door panels. Look at the back of the seat. It's just like I said. Look at the back of the seat. It just needs a seat cover. This the original seat cover. Still got cobwebs in it from sitting in the garage. The back door, the back package tray is beautiful. Look at the headliner. There's nothing wrong with it at all the way around. Package tray, door panels on in the back seat. You see the dust. I gotta detail it, but look at this. Y'all see the cobwebs, but look overall. Look at how clean this car is. Yep. 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 There it is. It's beautiful. You hear that door slam. And we going in the trunk now. I want y'all to see this. This car's over 50 years old. Look at how clean this is. No rust. Look at this. It's the original jack. Look at this. No rust, guys. No rust at all. See, it's no pad. That's all solid. Y'all see it? Yeah, I see it. No rust. It's got the original jacking instructions on it. It's the underside of the trunk. Like I said, guys, for this car to be over 50 years old, it's in great shape. It could use probably the rubber right here. Y'all see the rubber. Get the, change the rubber on it or something. But other than that, and right here on the trunk, you got a couple of spots right here. But overall, like I said, I don't know if he wants to sell it, but if he does, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna let y'all see up under here. Look at this. Gotta clean it. Look at the pinch wheels. All the way back. Look how clean this car is underneath. Yeah. We're gonna go along the pinch wheels. Look at this. This car's clean, guys. 1969. Yeah, I see it. Hard to find them like this. It's hard to find them like this. It's really hard. It is. It's really hard to find them like this. Thing is really clean. Let y'all check out the engine. It's original 327. Original 327. Gotta try to open it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Y'all see it? 327. New alternator. New fuel pump. Probably a new coil too. Let me get over here and see. Yeah, it's got a new coil in it back there. But y'all see it. Yep, underneath the hood, good. Needs a little, probably take the hood off and paint underneath it to make it, look better. But no rust on the hood. There's no rust on the car, period. So, like I said, the last 7 or 8 years it was sitting in a barn. So, yep. Actually, I'm getting ready to start it up for you guys right now. I mean, the front bumper probably could be replaced, but for a 50-year-old car, it looks pretty good. So, like I said, I'm gonna start it up real quick and let you guys hear it, because it sounds good. Here we go. Gonna start it up. Y'all heard it running. It sounds good. Sounds excellent. Yep. So there you go, guys. 1969 Impala Custom 327. Car is solid. Like I said, I don't know if he wants to sell it, but if he does, I'll let you guys know if he wants to sell it. So look at that. Look how easy that hood closes. Yep, beautiful car, guys. It'll make somebody a hell of a nice car. You wouldn't have to do really too much to it. He said it probably needs some front end work. He said he might have that done too. But other than that, the car is ready to go. So like I said, if he decides to sell it, I'll let you guys know. So There it is. 1969 Impala Custom with just over 100,000 miles. And for it to be in this great a shape, man, I don't know. I can't find one like this. There it is. And if you guys are new, to my channel, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I be trying to bring you some more videos like this, because this is my buddy. He buys a lot of cars too, or whatever. So there it is. And just like that, this video is over.